Let's welcome you to the top 3 most futuristic motorhomes on the planet, a collection of rolling luxury marvels that push design, engineering, and imagination far beyond traditional RVs. These aren't just vehicles, they are mobile mansions. Let's jump right into number 3. The 2027 Nebula Voyager XL stands out instantly as a piece of futuristic sculpture on wheels. Its two-tone exterior, deep obsidian black paired with flowing liquid silver structural arcs, gives the impression that the vehicle is formed from a single continuous ribbon of metal. Every curve is intentional, from the layered balcony-like contours to the aerodynamic body that wraps around its multi-level chassis. This motorhome looks as if it belongs in a premium sci-fi movie, yet it's believable. The warm amber light running beneath the vehicle and glowing gently from its narrow window strips makes it appear like a silent traveler gliding through the night. It's bold, sleek, and visually arresting from every angle. The exterior conveys one clear message. This isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle statement. Step inside and the design language remains consistent. The Nebula's interior doesn't waste space, instead, it embraces compact luxury. The moment you enter the main lounge, you feel the harmony between black matte surfaces, brushed silver trims, and warm amber lighting that mirrors the underbody glow seen outside. The lounge layout is tightly curated, a curved compact sofa, a floating console, and storage units integrated seamlessly into the architecture. The LED lighting isn't just decoration, it enhances depth, creating soft highlights across the curved walls to maintain a sense of openness even in a compact space. Transitioning into the kitchen, the Nebula maintains realism. You won't see massive counters or oversized appliances here, everything is proportioned for genuine travel living. The black stone countertop, satin silver cabinetry, and golden edge lighting create a warm, intimate environment. Hidden appliances and fold-away features keep the space functional without disrupting the minimal aesthetic. Then we move into the master bedroom, which feels like a futuristic capsule built for calm and comfort. The illuminated platform bed floats visually thanks to a soft amber LED strip underneath. Compact side surfaces follow the vehicle's natural contour, and the walls narrow intentionally to give a sleek, aerodynamic aesthetic while keeping everything practical. Connected is the bathroom, a miniature spa pod with a silver shower capsule, matte black fixtures, and frosted smart glass for privacy. The small stone-textured vanity and subtle lighting bring a sense of refined calm, exactly what a compact luxury motorhome should deliver. Finally, at the far end lies a hybrid office lounge space, ideal for editing travel footage, handling business on the go, or simply relaxing. The curved desk and warm lighting make this nook feel purposeful without being oversized. With its advanced design and architectural build, the Nebula Voyager XL begins at $6.8 million, making it one of the most premium compact futuristic multi-floor RV concepts ever created. Coming in at number 2 is a motorhome built for those who love speed-inspired design, the 2026 Hyperion Velocity Cruiser. With its black and white aerodynamic shell, this vehicle looks like a fusion between a luxury supercar and a futuristic yacht. The fluid swooping body panels, deep wheel wells, and aggressive front stance give it a presence unlike anything else on the road. The warm orange lighting that outlines the steps and wraps subtly around the undercarriage adds a dramatic glow, especially at night. You can almost imagine this motorhome pulling up beside a row of hypercars and fitting in perfectly. It radiates high performance and precision engineering. But the Hyperion isn't just about looking fast, it's about feeling refined and intelligently designed, too. The first area we enter is the cockpit, a compact supercar-inspired command center. Black leather, white contrast stitching, a sweeping digital dash display, and amber edge lighting set the tone. Everything is tight, precise, and angled toward the driver, reflecting the cruiser's high-performance roots. Moving down into the main lounge, the aesthetic becomes softer but still bold. White seating curves into aerodynamic black wall structures, all illuminated by thin amber lighting lines. The design feels cohesive, nothing oversized, everything tucked and compact. The lounge is meant to feel efficient but luxurious, much like the interior of a private jet. Next, we glide into the kitchen, where matte black surfaces meet crisp white cabinetry. Soft orange lighting glows beneath shelves, around the floor edge, and inside small storage pockets, helping the compact space feel premium. The appliances are integrated seamlessly, ensuring the kitchen remains minimal yet fully functional. Continuing the flow, we enter the master bedroom, shaped almost like a cocoon with white curves wrapping around a low-profile bed. The compact structure feels cozy, and the subtle amber lighting complements the aerodynamic theme. Built-in shelving lines portions of the wall without interrupting the clean flow. The bathroom continues this aesthetic with a white microvanity, black accents, silver fixtures, and a matte glass shower pod. The lighting design emphasizes vertical lines, giving the small space a tall, elegant feel. At the rear sits a compact executive corner, offering a minimalist workspace with a slim curved desk and soft lighting. Perfect for digital nomads or entrepreneurs traveling long-term. The Hyperion Velocity Cruiser starts around $4.5 million, placing it squarely in the upper tier of performance-inspired luxury motorhomes. Now we arrive at the undisputed king of this lineup, the 2028 Chevrolet SkyPalace GT, a motorhome that looks less like a road vehicle and more like a floating luxury penthouse. Its sweeping white and black exterior, polished chrome curves, and glowing upper deck make it stand out instantly. The exterior feels like a fusion between yacht design and futuristic minimalism. Every angle is deliberate, from the tinted glass arc wrapping around the upper lounge to the sophisticated lighting running beneath structural lines. At night, the SkyPalace GT almost resembles a glowing architectural landmark moving gently along the road. Stepping through the side entrance, we reach the lower lounge, where the vibe is refined, warm, and contemporary. White seating, silver accents, and compact curves are highlighted by soft amber lighting that matches the warm glow visible from the outside. Everything stays practical, scalable for real travel, without oversized luxury that breaks immersion. Flowing into the kitchen and dining area, we find a compact yet high-end setup. White cabinets, silver handles, a polished stone counter, and a slim dining ledge for two create a refined space. The lighting is key here. Diffused amber strips run under the counter and shelving, tying into the exterior's golden glow and giving the space an elevated, elegant feel. Ascending the compact staircase, we enter the Sky Lounge, arguably the most stunning interior area in today's lineup. With its tinted glass arc, warm lighting, compact seating, and silver rails, the lounge feels like a small penthouse suite floating above the road. Every design choice supports the theme of clean, modern, compact luxury. Toward the rear lies the master bedroom, a glowing capsule of comfort. The bed floats visually thanks to hidden amber LEDs beneath the platform. Silver wardrobe lines match the motorhome's exterior curves, and everything feels cohesive, refined, and softly lit. The compact dimensions keep the room realistic while maintaining a premium feel. The bathroom resembles a boutique spa in miniature form, white stone textured vanity, silver fixtures, an enclosed shower capsule, and an amber backlighting that reflects off the matte surfaces. Compact, refined, and perfectly aligned with the overall theme. A small relaxation corner rounds off the upper deck, a curved sofa facing a tinted panel, offering a calm, private place to unwind. With its brand prestige, multi-level layout, and architectural styling, the Chevrolet SkyPalace GT sits at a premium $9.2 million, placing it comfortably at the top of this futuristic ranking. And there you have it, the top 3 most futuristic motorhomes in the world. Each of these rolling marvels tells a different story. The Nebula Voyager XL, sculpted elegance with compact futuristic living. The Hyperion Velocity Cruiser, performance-inspired design that blends supercar energy with luxury comfort. And the Chevrolet SkyPalace GT, a moving architectural masterpiece, the closest thing to a floating penthouse on Earth. Which one would you choose for your dream journey around the world? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic designs and luxury innovations coming your way every single week. And remember, the future of travel doesn't belong to the roads, it belongs to the dreamers bold enough to ride it. Stay tuned, because this journey is only getting started.